Okay, let's see the next exercise. We are going to circle the correct spelling. Okay, we already done this like this exercise. We already done it. Let's recall it by doing this exercise. Okay, there are two set of word was given. We are going to find out which word having a correct spelling, and we want to make a circle. Okay, for that we want to first thing we want to find out the picture, then we want to find out the correct spelling. Okay, let's see what he is doing. He is sweep. Yes, it is a sweep. Okay, there are two set of word was given. One set of word is S W A E P and the second word is S W E E P. Okay, you are going to find out which word having the correct spelling for the word sweep. You are having a E longer sound. Sweep. Did you get any correct answer? Did you got the correct answer? Did you got it? Yes, sweep. Okay, very nice. Okay, let's move to this picture. Listen it carefully. He is a boy and he is dreaming. Very good. Here the two set of word was given. One is D R A E M and the second word is D R E A M. Okay, there are two set of word. If you're not getting a correct spelling, you just open your mouth and tell me loudly, dream, dream, dream. You got it? Any correct spelling? Getting a E and A sound. Dream, am, yes, dream. So this is a correct one. So shall I mark a circle? Very nice. Okay. Next, this is not a bread. This is a loaf. Loaf. Okay, the name of this picture is loaf. Here the two set of word was given. One is L E A F. Next set of word is L O A F. Okay, next set of word is this. Which one will be the correct? You are going to find it out. Just find it out correctly. If you are not able to correct the correct spelling word, you can just tell the loudly loaf, loaf, loaf. You're getting a O sound. Okay, and then this one will be the correct answer. Loaf. Very good. Let's move to this picture. Okay, this is a boy and here I got the question mark here. What is this? This is a cheek. This is a cheek. Okay. We just find it out, the name of the picture was given and now we are going to circle the correct spelling. The two set of word was given. One is C H A I K and the other one is C H E E K. Which one is correct? Tell me correctly. Yes, which one is correct? You're getting a cheek, not a chike. So if you put A-I, then it will become a chike. This is the cheek, cheek. You can make a circle. Cheek. Okay, okay. Let's do this picture. This is, what is this? Yes, she's playing a hockey, I think so. Because here is in a gold net, isn't it? She's putting a goal. Isn't it? There are two set of word was given and the first set is G E O L and the second set of word is G O A L. Which one is going to be correct? You are going to tell the correct answer. I already told you what is the picture actually. Goal, goal, oh, goal. You're getting a O and A sound. You're not getting a E and O sound. You're getting a O and A sound. Goal, goal. Okay, so shall I put a circle here? Yes. Okay, let's do the next picture. What is this? This is a soap. Okay, this is the soap. We will use, what is the use of the soap? We will bath daily using the soap, isn't it, children? Okay, there are two set of word was given for the word soap. The first letter is S O A P, and the second set of word is S A O P. You are going to find out which word will be giving the correct spelling for the word soap. If you are not getting the correct spelling, you just open your mouth and tell me soap, soap. Yes, you are getting a O sound, but here also having a O, no. Then how can you say? Yes, you are getting a O. After O, you are getting a sound, isn't it? Soap, A sound. So this is the correct spelling. Very nice. Okay, let's move to this exercise. He's a man. He's a paint. Okay, he's a having a paint in his hand. Paint. There, as usual, there are two set of word was given, and the first set of the word is P E I N T, and the second word is P A I N T, isn't it? Which one is going to be the correct pronunciation for the word paint? Paint. Yes, you are getting a I sound. Here both I sound. Here both I is there. Here also I is there, and here also I is there. Then tell me, then how can you going to be find it out the correct spelling? Pay. This is a pay. This is a short sound. This is a long A sound. You want a long A sound. Paint. Okay, children. Okay, let's move to this picture. Very last picture. This is a bead. Bead. Okay, using the bead we can make some chains, some bracelets, isn't it? Okay, this is a bead. Okay, there are two set of word was given, and the first set is B E A D. Okay, and the second set is B A E D. Okay, the first set is bead. Bead. For bead, here also E coming, and here also E coming. Then how can you going to find it out? Bead. For after E, you getting a sound. Bead. Bead. Okay, you're getting a sound. So this is a correct answer, isn't it? Okay, let's revise one more time. This is a sweep. You're getting a longer E sound. This is a reap. You're getting a E sound after then A. This is a loaf. You're getting a O as well as A sound. Loaf. This is a cheek. C-H-E-E-K. Cheek. This is a goal. O-A. Goal. This is a soap. O-A-O. Soap. Paint. A-I. Paint. This is a bead. E-A. This is a bead. Okay. Did you understand this exercise? Let's move to the next exercise.